Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the 5L Bean puzzle. This puzzle was designed by PeteCam and made by Cubic Dissection. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the goal of the puzzle is to remove all 5 parts from the frame. This puzzle has 6 parts. The biggest one is the frame. It was made from walnut, and 5 more parts are made from aluminum, and you have to find how to remove them. As you can see, right from the very beginning, you can move each piece just a little bit, but the last one you can move quite a lot. In order to solve the puzzle, you have to do a lot of exactly the same moves. It will be a sequence of moves. You have to understand this sequence to solve the puzzle. So it is a NRE puzzle, and these puzzles usually require a lot of similar moves in order to solve them. If you like the 5L Bean puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So first of all, there are openings on the back side of the puzzle. You can use them to push the parts up. There are 3 parts here and 2 parts here. And you will start with the top piece. You move it just a little bit, then the second, third, fourth, and then you can move the fifth like all the way out. But you don't have to move it all the way out, since you have to push it back a little bit, and at the same time push this piece up, and then you can put the 5th piece all the way in. Here, another step, you have to push this piece up, and at the same time push this piece to the left. And the next step will be to go back to the piece number 5, push it all the way out, this piece will drop down, push the 5th piece inside, and piece number 4 will fall down. The next step is to move this 3rd piece, and the next one will be to, wait a second, we have to find what to do next. Yeah, and if you push it all the way out, you will block this piece, but you have to move it back inside a little bit and push the 2nd piece up, and then move this all the way to the right as long as it moves. Next step will be to push piece number 4 up, 5th to the left. Now push the 4th piece up and 5th inside. Now move this piece up, push the 3rd piece inside. Now back to piece number 5, all the way out. Piece number 4 will drop down with the 5th piece inside. And now we have piece number 2 that we can move up. And at the same time, when you move it up, you can push the 1st piece to the left. Okay, now as you can see, we made these moves. We were able to move the 1st piece out a little bit. Now we move piece number 3, piece number 4, and piece number 5, and do all the same steps again to keep moving. So now piece number 5. Here, the 3rd piece is dropped down. Piece number 4. No, I guess now we have to move the piece number 2, but for that we have to move this piece a little bit back inside. Yeah, this goes up. Piece number 3 goes inside a little bit. Now piece number 4, 5, 4 up, 5 all the way in. 4 up, number 3 goes in, 5, 4, they all go inside. Now we move, oh, something, I guess that I did a mistake somewhere, since now I can't move the 1st piece any further. Okay, I guess we have to deal with the third piece again, third, fourth, fifth, and try the same sequence again to see what was wrong. So here I guess I have to drop this piece down. Yeah, probably that's what I did incorrect. These go in, this goes up. And now I can move the first piece all the way out and remove it. Oh, okay. So sometimes you have to be very careful when you do moves, or you can mess up something. So now you can easily remove all the parts, just one by one. And the puzzle is solved. Now you can assemble everything back inside, starting with this piece. You put it inside, then you add next part. So one piece goes like a letter L shape, another one goes with flipped letter L. This goes inside, then this piece, then this piece goes inside as well. And then we have, wait a second. Did they make, oh no, no mistakes. One piece was not in the proper place. And then the last one, you just put it inside, push it in. Now you have to do a lot of steps in order to push this piece all the way inside. I'm just gonna show it since it will be quite quick, and if you already know the sequence, it will be not so difficult to understand what am I doing. Now the first piece moved a little bit inside, and here I have to do the same steps again so that I can push the first piece all the way in. And the last move, and the puzzle is solved both ways. That was the solution of the 5L bean puzzle. Quite an interesting puzzle. The solution might seem a little bit difficult at the first glance, but once you become familiar with the sequence of moves, it becomes not so hard to solve the puzzle, and it becomes quite a satisfying toy that you can play again and again and again. If you like the 5L bean puzzle, or you want to try some other puzzles made by Cubic Dissection, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.